It's old wheel. I think it is. Check it out. It should be old wheel because you can attach from here and it's wood here. That's super cool. It's like from old carriage. Oba. Oh, check it out. It's old iron, I think. That's cool. Oh, check it out. It's like old, like hammer or axe head. It looks like old tool. Pretty cool. Old plate. Oh, and there is money here maybe. Yep. But it's pretty cool. Old plate. Yum, 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 yum. It's old Estonian money. 1 kroon. So we have horseshoe, small horseshoe. Oh yeah. Wow. Ma ise mõtlesin ka pliit, jah? Yeah, it's stove top. Pretty cool. Oh, check it out. Old key. Whoa. Another old nail. Oh, check it out. Old lock with the key. And one more. 2 locks and 1 with key. We found antenna, like from old car maybe. Whoa. 1 nail and I think it's from the car engine. Check it out. It's like old something. I don't know what you can do with this measuring tape. Oh yeah. It's pretty large. Nice one.